Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss Introduction to ASP.NET MVC. So let's start. What is ASP.NET MVC? ASP.NET MVC runs on the top of ASP.NET framework. MVC is a software architectural pattern that separates the application into three major components such as model, view, and controller. Question arises, what is an architectural pattern? An architectural pattern is a general reusable solution for commonly occurring problems in software architecture. It is similar to design pattern but have broader scope. So MVC is a software architectural pattern. Let's discuss about model, view, and controller. Model is a collection of classes that represents the data we are working with it as well as the business. It defines a set of rules that specify how data can be changed and manipulated. It may contain the data validation rules. It often encapsulates the data stored in a database as well as code used to manipulate the data. It is most likely a data access layer. Apart from providing the data objects, models have no significance in this framework. Here, an example of model is given on the screen. We have a class named as product class. Product class has three properties like product ID, product name, and price. In this way, we can declare the model in our application. View. View describes the application UI, that is, user interface. MVC user interface comprises of views, partial views, and layouts. We'll discuss about these views, partial views, and layouts in our upcoming videos. View is under the controller of a view engine. View engine is something that dynamically renders HTML. Some of the view engines are given below, like Razor, ASPX, Spark, NHAML, Django, etc. Coming to controller. Controller is the core MVC component. It is responsible for entire communication between model and view. Since model cannot directly interact with view and view also cannot directly interact with model, controller acts as a coordinate between this model and view. Controller controls the entire application flow by processing the request with the help of models and views. Controller is a set of classes that handles communication from the user, overall application flow, application specific logic. A controller comprises of various methods that represents to various HTTP requests. These methods are known as action methods. Action method is something that can be directly accessible from the URL. A action method is a controller method that defines the request header, and we'll learn more about this action method in our upcoming video. Let's discuss about the example of a controller. Every controller name should be suffixed with controller keyword, and every controller should be inherited from controller class, which is a base class and a predefined class. Here we have a controller which is named as product controller, And in this controller, we have two action methods such as index action method and detailed action method. In this way, we can specify our controllers in our application. Let's discuss the versions of ASP.NET MVC. The versions of ASP.NET MVC started from 1.0 to 5.2. 5.2 is the current version. So, according to various versions, some new features are also added which are given on the screen. You can check it. Thanks for watching.